Let's see this question. 6 engineers can build a server in 10 hours. Another 6 engineers start to build the same server at 11 am and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning at 5 pm. At what time will the server be complete? So they are saying that the total time required, or the total effort, you can say effort, the total effort required to build a server is, when 6 engineers are working, they can do it in 10 hours, which means the total effort required is 6 engineers have to contribute 10 hours each. So which means 60 engineering hours are required in order to finish the server, right? And if you see the way other group of people are working, they are saying that another 6 engineers start to build the server at 11 am, which means at 11 am another 6 engineers are starting to work, okay, to build the same server at 11 am, and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning at 5 pm, which means from 5 pm. So you can understand from the data that from 11 am to 5 pm 6 engineers are working on that, and after that every hour 1 engineer is added, and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning from 5 pm. So which means from 5 pm it is going to increase. From 5 to 6, 7 engineers are going to work on the project, and from 6 to 7, 8 engineers are going to work on the project, and 7 to 8, 9 engineers are going to work on the project, and so on. Okay, so now they are saying that if this is the way people are working on it, then when do we finish the project? At what time will the server be complete? Which means they are asking about this completion time. So will they finish at 8 pm or 9 pm or 10 pm or at what time? Now we have to equate the efforts. Now let's see what is the effort given by the other group. Now if they are working from 11 to 5, see, from 11 to 5 there are 6 hours, and in these 6 hours 6 engineers are working. Therefore the effort given by this group of 6 engineers during this period is going to be 6 into 6, which is nothing but 36 engineering hours, plus every 1 hour these efforts are added. So next hour how much is added? 7 into 1, which means 7 engineering hours is added, and in the next hour how many? 8. In the next hour 9 engineering hours, so on. Got it? Now we have to equate these two efforts. So the total effort required is 60, and the way they are adding the efforts is like this. Now we have to equate these two and see what this series should be. Okay, so which means this should be equal to 60 engineering hours, right? Now if you try to find out the difference between these two, you'll find out that this series should be equal to 24, right? Which is 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus so on should be equal to 24, right? Now we should find out what is this sum so that it is equal to 24. Now if you see this, 7 plus 8 equal to 15, 15 plus 9 equal to 24, right? Therefore if I go till this, it is enough. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24, which means 7 plus 8 plus 9. By 8 pm, if I work till 8 pm and if I add this entire efforts, it is going to be the total effort required, which is 60 engineering hours, right? Therefore the project will be completed at 8 pm. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. after taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.